This channel has only 4 videos uploaded and has already gained 10,000 subscribers. And just look at this. Their very first upload got 64,000 organic views. Second one received 280k views. This guy got 6.19k subscriber with just 3 uploads. And his first upload got 233k views till now. Within just a month, this channel made over 30,000 subscribers with only 5 videos. And 1.2 million views on their very first upload. And this is just the beginning. Something incredible is happening on the platform right now, and it's an opportunity you don't wanna miss. Regardless of whether you currently have 0 subscriber or just a handful, now is the perfect time to start growing your channel. I have recently discovered many small YouTubers who have uploaded their first or second videos and have been met with an explosion of views. And let me tell you, there is a very good reason for this phenomenon. So, if you have been thinking to start your own channel, there's never been a better time to dive in and make your mark on the world of YouTube. In the vast world of YouTube, where countless videos are shared every day, a notable shift is occurring. Smaller channels are making a significant impact, challenging the larger channels and reshaping the landscape of the platform. In this video, we will explore how these channels are not only getting tractions but also revolutionizing YouTube, transforming it into a more diverse and engaging content hub. Gone are those days when new YouTubers had to rely solely on their friends and family to get their initial views and subscribers for their channels. Nowadays, even channels with 0 subscribers who are uploading their first video are achieving astonishing levels of success, with some reaching 100,000 views or even an incredible 1 million views. It's truly an exciting time for aspiring content creators. The possibility for growth and exposure on the platform are seeming limitless. As a keen observer of these small channels, I have discovered their secret formula, which I am excited to share with you in just a moment. The current YouTube algorithm heavily favors newer channels, taking inspiration from TikTok's successful use of this method. Similar to TikTok's generous approach of promoting first-time uploader to the front page, YouTube is now pushing new channels to the forefront. What this does is produce an influx of views on creators' first few videos, which provides a rush of dopamine and a deep desire to create and upload even more content. TikTok has already harnessed this method, resulting in an increased number of users, videos, and even more money into their pocket. Now, YouTube is doing the same with an important caveat. Your videos must be needed to be high quality. In the past, YouTube have favored channels that uploaded frequently and consistently. However, they eventually realized that this wasn't the best way to retain users on their platform. The emphasis now on creating high quality content, as this is what keeps people coming back for more. I have started using this strategy on my main channel, and within just 90 days, I have tripled my earnings. How you can benefit from this? As I mentioned earlier, it all comes down to the quality of your upcoming upload. The quality of your video is determined by 3 key factors: title, the thumbnail, and the average view duration. If you really do well in these 3 aspects, even as a channel with 0 subscribers, the algorithm will promote your content more and more. Just 3 weeks ago, this channel had only 3 or 4 subscribers. It took him only 1 week to create his very first video. And 3 weeks later, the video now has reached 1 million views and his channel has gained over 30,000 subscribers. What you can take away from this? Choose a topic that you are passionate about. Create an engaging script, record a delightful voiceover, and edit an amazing video. If you are not best at writing scripts, you can always use Suvo AI to generate engaging YouTube video scripts. And if you are struggling with voiceover, then don't worry. It's 2023. With the help of AI, now you can easily generate professional voiceover. Just head over to speaktts.com and speed up your content creation with professional touch. Then wrap up your video with a fascinating title and thumbnail. Share your work with friends or even with strangers, and ask for their opinions. People you are not familiar with will provide you with the most genuine feedback. Once you feel your video is prepared, upload it to YouTube and wait. If it's your first upload, based on what I have seen, YouTube usually takes about 3 days before it showcases your videos on the homepage and evaluates the quality to determine if it's good or not. If the algorithm receives positive feedback from your click-through rate and average view duration, it will promote your video to a larger audience. And this cycle will continue. At present, it is the simplest and most favorable time to grow on YouTube, and if you don't take advantage of this, you will left behind. I have put in a countless hours of effort to provide you with the most accurate and reliable data possible. If you found this video informative and helpful, please show your support by hitting the like button. Your support means the world to us and inspire us to keep creating more high quality content like this. If you want to be the first to know when I release a new in-depth video like this, consider subscribing to my channel. Now, if you want to learn how I earned $56,000 on YouTube without even making videos, then must check out this video. It will show you the real potential of YouTube. That's all for this video. Let's meet you in the next video.